No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican.
I'm a born Jamaican. I grow in Jamaica. I went to school in Jamaica. I studied my law finals in Jamaica. I've only ever worked in Jamaica.
That's right.
And the truth of the matter is that my parents were also servants of the people. My father came to Jamaica from the UK in 1953, and he never left. He established the Mona Rehab Center, which is now named after him after his death in 1996, which is the only facility of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean for persons with disabilities. And I should mention, by the way, my own personal family, my wife and my youth. My wife is a beautiful empress. Me and my brethren Natty, a par, and you know, Mr. Tuna, he knew her first actually, and she and a friend, and we said we were going on a date. And then they said, all right, then we'll come with me, you know. And we end up at Turntable Club off the Red Hills Road, yeah. And I want to tell you, we see her the kind of like, although she was really more with him and me with the next one, she really liked. So happened that night, them had a little dance competition. And we see her move and we say, yeah, she can dance good enough. So me never really rate myself on the dance. But we said, I go and try to do a thing, because most of the people in there were kind of the old, you know, wasn't yeah. So we had a dance and we ended up win a prize. Yeah. Dinner for two at Paul's 104 on Harbour Street. Yeah. So I said, all right. And a couple of weeks later now, me and she go down there and we had our lunch and thing, and one thing lead to another, you know. And here we are, you know. So, yeah. And, you know, we have 3 beautiful kids, and, yeah, so, I don't really feel like nothing. Feel any way about who I am. A person don't choose who they are. You're born to who you are, right? What you choose is how you live your life. Right? The choice is what you make in life. And how you deal with people. And where your heart there. Yeah. So, me alright. I'm going to look out the people's business. The people of Jamaica will come to serve and defend. That is why I'm here.
Them here Jamaican chat, them say Jamaican bop, 'cause I am a Jamaican.